Hey, Jason Hopkins here. So chances are you landed here looking for ways to make money online using the number one traffic source. So in this video, I'm going to reveal that source is so that you can make sales online on autopilot. Now this teaching it was taught by my mentors, Coach H and Rich, and throughout their training, it helped me throughout my journey and having success in making sales on autopilot. Now, the other day, I was asked by my mentors, what was the number one traffic source? My answer to them was, of course, YouTube. Well, that answer was incorrect. Your number one traffic source into making money online is your email list. Now, you're probably asking, why an email list and not platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram? Well, the difference between an email list and you generating leads through social media is basically control. Now, with an email list, using an autoresponder like Aweber, it's traffic that you control. Now, with social media, that's traffic that someone else controls. You don't control YouTube, you don't control Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. With an email list, you do have control. With social media these days, you have to be very careful on how you building a business and connecting with people because the algorithms they constantly change. And if you're promoting a business that goes against their standards, then most likely your account is going to be deleted. And all of those friends that you had are gone. So now with an email list, using an autoresponder like Aweber, your list stays with you forever. So you don't have to rely, so try not to rely so much on social media platforms that you have absolutely no control over. Instead, what you want to do is use an autoresponder that's going to tie into your offer, and with that offer it's going to be put with that offer that person has to put in their name and email. So now if you haven't learned how to tie your offer to an autoresponder and you would like to know more, well, connect with me and I'll do an over a shoulder session with you through Skype. That wraps this up. And if you want to know more on how to build your list, you want to click that link below and you'll be directed to a page where you'll put your name and your email. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for some more helpful tips. I'm Jason Hopkins, and I will see you in the next video.